Hey there! In this video, we demonstrate how to set triggers in Zapier to send notifications in any connected app after you have received an incoming message, or your contact has clicked a link via CommPeak. In Zapier, you can set a workflow that will allow you to get notified in an application of your choice after you receive an incoming message via CommPeak, or your contact has clicked a link in an SMS sent via CommPeak. Here, we will lead you through the process of setting a notification in Slack about an incoming message. Start from the Zapier homepage. Click Create Zap, and on the page that opens, first of all, name your new Zap. Then set the trigger that will start your Zap. We need to select CommPeak in the list of apps. A side panel will open on the right. In the Event field, choose New Incoming SMS. Continue to the Account tab, and make sure you are connected to your CommPeak account. If not, enter the needed credentials in the login window, and authorize Zapier. Then test your trigger. Select an incoming message record, and continue with it. Then you will be suggested to select an app for the action. In our example, it is Slack. Under Event, find and choose Send Direct Message, and click Continue. Then connect Slack, and go on to the Action tab. Here, select the employee who should be notified. You can also add custom fields if you want the Slack message to display certain data like the source number, the message text, or the sending date and time. Fill in any other fields as needed. Next, test your workflow, or skip this step. Finally, publish your Zap. You will find it in the list of your Zaps on the homepage. That's it. Good luck!